Larkham Health Safety and Environmental Security Team Leader across EP Kilroot and EP Ballylumford power stations. I found the course very informative, absolutely. I learned a lot from the last 2.5 days. Pitched at a non-technical, I'm not technical, so it was pitched at a good level for myself. Came away with a lot of sources and a lot of information to go now and to help with playbooks and tabletop exercises. So I found it very, very informative, and yeah, a lot of food for thought. And thanks very much, Summer.